Shemai everyone, good morning. My name is Izzy and welcome back to the online tutorials with Ballet Cymru. Leading on from Beth's battery yesterday, I'm going to do middle jumps. As I don't have that much space in my living room, I'm going to be doing this outside. So make sure wherever you are that you stay safe, make sure you can't kick anything, and check the disclaimer on the website before you start. Now I'm outside, it's a little bit windy as you can see, but I'm going to try my best and follow along wherever you can. So we'll start with the right leg in front and we're going to do 2 échappées battues, optional. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll do 6 changé into assemblée. 6 doublé, under. Then we'll chassé, coupé, chassé, coupé, relevé, changement, relevé, changement. Now we'll do both sides with the music. Well done, I hope that you enjoyed it. I did. Make sure that you tune in for Grande Allegro tomorrow and then your class will almost be complete. And also send your photos and videos because we love to see them and it's really nice to see what you get up to during this time. So stay safe and hope to see you soon.